Hello everyone. More bad news for Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The Umkhonto weSizwe Student Movement spokesperson, Thulani Kajeni, was gunned down in Ekurhuleni. The breaking news allegedly account shared the sad news on the X app. She posted, "Sadly, in South Africa, it is the privilege of those who fear the truth to murder those who do not fear it. Rest in peace, Commander Kajeni. We will always salute you." Not so long ago, it was reported that Mxolisi Zungu was brutally murdered on Wednesday. Zungu was one of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party leaders who had been dispatched to Ward 101 in eThekwini Metro. He was allegedly gunned down in Ketomena near Mayville. The party members are living in fear after their members were shot and killed, and they believe that these killings are politically motivated. The MK leader Gcina told the Sunday World publication that it's clear that the killing is politically motivated. Our opponents are out there planning our demise. Whenever we go, we have to look over our shoulders. Another leader, Vusizwe Zondi, also said, "Since the Umkhonto weSizwe Party victory, I've been receiving threats from anonymous calls. Some are calling me a sellout. I didn't take them seriously, but I now see that MK leaders, especially those who were leading the election machinery, are being hunted. The killing of Comrade Mxolisi is not innocent." The MK national spokesperson Tlamulo Ndlela also said that the party was shocked following the killing of Zungu, and said Umkhonto weSizwe Party is shocked at another cold-blooded murder of our member. He was killed in front of his wife and child. This is an assault on democracy. We want the police to do all they can to bring the perpetrators to book. He also said there was a concerted effort to wipe out leaders of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. May their souls rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more news.